video, I'm going to be showing you how to use Word and PowerPoint online. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log into Office 365. Now, you may not have Word and PowerPoint installed on your computer at home, but that is fine. You don't need them. You can use Office in the browser. Once you've logged in, you'll see you've got Word and PowerPoint on the screen. Okay, I'm going to click on Word and I'm going to click on New Blank Document. After a while, it will open up a document for you to edit, and you can actually type things into the web browser. So here I can start to edit my Word document. So this might be my homework, and I can do whatever I need to do as. Once I've done that, I can save it. So I can go to Save As, Save a Copy As, and I can choose somewhere to save it. Now, you will have your own documents folder, so that's a good place to save it. So I'm just going to give this a very sensible name, CS Homework. I'll click on Save. And once I've done that, the work is now saved. Now I'm going to show you how to find your work once it's been saved, because it's not always obvious. Now, I'm going to go back to the main page. Okay, and if I click on Words, you'll notice that there's nothing there. However, to find your work, you need to go to OneDrive. OneDrive is where things will be saved online for you. OneDrive is not the same as your user account in school, so you won't be able to use this to access your files in school, but it will allow you to save files online, so you can edit them online, but also maybe send them to a member of staff. So I'm going to click on OneDrive, and once I'm here, you can see there is my CS homework. So I'm going to click on it again. It opens up a new tab, and there is my homework. So you are able now to be able to edit that, and then once you've edited it, you can just close it down. I'm going to make a change. And notice at the top, it's saying saving. I'm going to wait a few seconds, and eventually that will turn to be saved. Once that's saved, you can just simply close the browser down, and it actually has saved. So I click back onto it. You can see the change is still there. So you don't have to press save in order to save it. However, you do, the first time you do it, have to click on Save As so you can save it. You may wish also to rename the file because it does actually create a document like that. I don't know why it doesn't give you a chance to name it straight away, but there you go. So you can just rename it or save as, whichever you find easier. Both will work. I can do the exact same thing in PowerPoint. So I'll go back to Office Home. I click on PowerPoint. I can create a brand new blank presentation. And then you've got an online version of PowerPoint. I can make some changes to it. And again, I'm going to show you the other way of doing it. I'm going to go to File, Rename. I'm going to give this a sensible name, maybe CS Presentation. Press OK. And now I'm going to go back to my OneDrive. And as you can see, there's my CS presentation. I can open it up and I can edit it again. One last thing I want to show you before we go is if I now go back to Word, you can see that those documents still haven't appeared. If I go back to PowerPoint, you can see they've not appeared. Okay, so the way you'll open up your files is by clicking on OneDrive first, and then clicking on your file. Okay, it's a little bit confusing, but that is the way to do it.